In the world of machinery, power is nothing without control. To turn raw energy into useful motion, every gear must be in perfect sync. This is the unseen assembly of a modern gearbox, a mechanical symphony of torque and speed. Every gearbox begins with its primary axis. First, we install the main input shaft, the rod that will receive power from the engine. Onto this shaft, we precisely slide the first set of gears and synchronizers, the core of the transmission's work. Next, we integrate the countershaft. This secondary axis holds a matching set of gears, designed to mesh perfectly with the gears on the input shaft. Their teeth must align with absolute precision to ensure smooth, efficient power transfer. Now for the command center. The selector forks are installed, ready to act as the liaison between the driver and the gears. These forks will slide the synchronizers back and forth, enabling seamless transitions between each gear ratio. With the internal components assembled, we seal the housing. The final casing cover is bolted down, protecting the delicate gears from the outside world. The output shaft is also installed, ready to transfer the adjusted torque to the drive system. The final details. We perform a final test simulating the shifts of a vehicle. The gears engage smoothly, a perfect mechanical ballet, a testament to power, precision, and the elegant art of controlling motion. The assembly is complete, the power is tamed, we've built control. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.